Hi, I'm Buster with A&B Wood Products. Today, got a piece of maple here. Has a crotch here, crotch up here. We're gonna go ahead and be slicing this up, see what we can get out of it. Does have a little decay in it, so hopefully we have some good spalting when we get down inside of it. And then we got this turkey lined up for the next video. This is a 13,000 pound piece of black locust. So after we get this cut up, that'll be our next video. So let's get the saw fired up and we'll see what we got here.
we are going to flip some of these and show you guys what this is going to look like. And then we'll go back to cutting, I guess. I said we're going to flip them and then go back to cutting to get some weight off of this. Well, there's our first piece. There's our second piece. Oh, yeah. Well, hopefully the whole dog's not like this. That's not going to be good. Oh, ow, babe. That was a little loud. Yep. Sometimes I wonder about him. Oh. Now don't get my clean clothes wet. Oh. This ain't looking very promising on that one. Oh, there is going to be some spalting, it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Yay. That'll be cool. I don't know if that's very sturdy.
No. It's not held together very good.
Hopefully it gets a little better than this.
Oh, yeah. The solid piece there. It's got some nice color.
It's got some pink in it.
A little further, we'll get past the roddy, smoky wood.
Oh, yeah. It's going to have some kind of cool color.
Yeah. It'll only be a bit more isolated to the side.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, if he stops destroying it.
Well. Ooh, yeah. Get some cool color in there.
You guys, everybody, baby.
What?
Close your eyes. You see the nice shiner he's got? That was getting this big log right here the other day off the wrecker.
Yeah.
Every time he looks at me, I laugh at him.
Yeah, the tow truck beat me up.
I guess the tow truck beat him up. So he's got a nice shiner. In his old age, he's not getting very graceful. You should see all the band-aids on him.
I have any on me right now.
When did you take them off?
Got some scabs where the band-aids were at.
When did you take them off?
Well, I took those two off yesterday.
That's pretty.
Got some nice color.
That's going to. And look at the feathering already.
Yeah,
Starting to come.
Yeah, this guy here, we're getting some grays.
Huh. This might turn out to be an okay. And you guys, this is my choice. I picked that log out. Ooh, that's going to be pretty. So this is a maple. It's not silver maple?
I'm assuming silver maple, most common type of maple here.
Don't keep breaking it.
Well,
you can epoxy those.
Yeah, but it's hard to grab a hold of when it's falling apart.
These are some nice sized wood pieces.
Yeah,
wow.
That the worst of the rod is right there in the feather.
Yeah, but hopefully that goes away. Wow. It's actually a pretty piece of wood. There's not very much spalting either.
There's been some really nice feathers right there. A little bark inclusion. feather's showing there.
Yeah, that feather has been showing the whole time. It's pretty wild looking. It's pretty though. Gorgeous. Little pieces out of the way so I don't fall on them. Oh, look at that pink in that. Up on top. It's going to be some pretty pink.
Let's see if it holds together flipping it.
Sure it will. Oh, look at that feather.
No, I'm more looking at the pinks and stuff showing up.
Yeah, but the feathering's really pretty too. Bring it back so you don't get my nice clean clothes wet. And then I'll show it to you.
Nice color in it.
Yeah, it is. Down in my log, I picked it out. Look at the feathering. Wow. That is freaking cool. That is really cool. That piece is awesome. And remember, guys, all this is for sale, so if you guys want to purchase any of this, let us know, because this is some really wild wood. Oh, wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Wow. That is absolutely pretty. That is gorgeous, baby. That was a good piece of wood, wasn't it?
Yep.
Wow. Jeez. That is just insane how much stuff's going on in there. And that feather all the way down. Wow. There's stuff everywhere you look.
Weird how it just
No.
line.
Absolutely pretty.
There's some bright pink colors.
Yeah, it is. Wow.
Well, I can make 4 more cuts with the way it's setting, and then we'll have to flip it.
Okay.
So I'll finish cutting it up, and
Wow.
then we can take a look at that.
Oh my God, I cannot believe how pretty this stuff is. Well, I might have found a new direction with a new epoxy table. I don't know. I still like that apple. I'm going to have to try the apple first. Plus, it's smaller. I might need to go a little smaller for my first one. Looks like we got some more decay back down there. Who are you smiling at? Huh? Who was you smiling at? Who were you smiling at?
That needs a brake on it.
Oh, I thought you were smiling down there.
Needs a brake. It's all stopped. Takes a long time to get it to wind down.
I'm pretty impressed with this wood, actually.
There's a broom. Some of the sawdust out of the way.
Now, this is a big freaking log. We had to have a flatbed wrecker go get it. That's a big log. And he's made it easier because I keep telling him work smart, not hard. So he's cleared out this driveway. So he just backs it in and then puts it where he wants it. And then he uses these hoist things to lift him up off of the trailer or flatbed, whatever we got. And then they just drive away, and then we just lower it down.
Well, all except for that, we couldn't pick up.
Wait. Oh, you couldn't? How did you guys manage to get it off?
Just dropped the roll bed, got it to slide off.
Well.
Yeah, 1 ton chain fall, 1 ton chain fall, 13,000 pound log. I physically cannot pick that up.
Well.
I can break something, but I can't get that thing clear off the ground.
Well, you're going to have help even moving the pieces when we go to cut this bad boy. Because you ain't moving the pieces like you are them.
Yeah, them slabs are probably going to be real heavy. These slabs here are getting heavy enough.
You're going to lose an end.
Maybe.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're so lucky. Yeah. Oh, you're going to.
Yeah, that bark inclusion just about is 2-piece unit.
Wow. Interesting. Let's get back so we don't get wet.
Yeah, feather went away in place of a bark inclusion.
Oh. That's not nice. It is a bullseye there, though. It still gives a lot of color and stuff, though. It's amazing. Told you we were going to have a little bit more decay down there. I've been sitting out in the weather for quite a while.
Yeah, I don't know how many years it's set up there.
Still make a really nice table or something.
Oh, yeah, there's still quite a large chunk that's solid.
Too bad because it's right in that pink too.
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah.
Great.
Well, that's cool looking.
Yeah. Looks like we're gonna get some more feathering up on top or something.
Yeah, it'll get back through the bark inclusion eventually.
What were you saying was cool looking?
The swirl pattern.
Yeah, it is neat.
Color.
It is neat. Yeah, the other side seemed to have a little bit more pink at the corner, but yeah. Wow, that's pretty. Amazing. Some pretty wood.
compression, a bunch of curl at the top there.
Sure is gonna make it. Sure make a nice table. She'll make a nice table. Hopefully not. That's a nice piece right there. It's a real nice piece right there. Ooh. Almost split apart. Is that a black widow?
No.
Oh. Let's move back. Or somebody gets a little out of control with the water. Yeah, we'll go back and look at it.
Got a bit more grays in it now.
Yeah, it does. Oh, and it's more spalting too. Going on down there.
Yeah, got compression and stuff around the top there.
Wow.
Next stuff will have it too.
It's pretty.
Yeah, this one looks a little more solid.
Huh. Hey now.
That's probably going to become two-piece right there. I don't know if I'll get this flipped over with that. That's probably going to come apart. I think that sucker's going to pop apart there.
Yeah, there it starts going. Yep, woof. Now you got it.
Yeah. Breeze is starting to come up.
Looks like the next couple pieces are going to get solid, don't?
There's still a lot of solid material there.
No, the next ones though. Looks like that occlusion's kind of going away.
Yeah.
Where's that bullseye? He's a bullseye. Wow. That is sure pretty. Really got grays. Oh, this has had almost everything in it. Grays, pink, now it's switching the, oh, that's really pretty. Wow. Wow, that is pretty. And so now you're going to flip it?
Yeah. I was debating about just going ahead and taking the top piece off of that.
No, we'll
just to look at it. I really want to see what it looks like.
No, we'll do it next week. I
want to see what it looks like.
So, we will be back. Hi, guys. So, we're back. Buster kind of took it upon himself to row it and finish cutting it. So, you guys just get the benefit of looking at this pretty wood.
Looking at the heavy spalted wood.
Is that side really spalted?
Well, a lot more than the other was.
He likes to kill us with dust.
It's got a bunch more spalting than the other did.
Spray that bottom one off. Yeah, it's got a little bit there.
that's the one we looked at the other day.
Yeah, I know. Huh, that is a lot of spalting on that one.
A lot more spalting than the first half of the log had.
It's pretty stuff though. Huh. And you said you think this one's a silver maple?
Yeah. Yeah, it should be.
Well, that's going to be a pretty piece if he doesn't crack it in half.
All dusty.
If he doesn't crack it in half, it'll be pretty. That's going to be pretty. Look at the pink in the bullseye. That's got a lot more spalting in it.
Oh, that puts the shadow right on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really pretty. That is pretty stuff. Very, very interesting.
Almost like the top part's gonna come off.
His black eye's getting a little bit better. It's not as black today. I think I'll stand over here. He likes to spray everything. See, that's where I was standing. Wow. Interesting. Very, very interesting. It's like the spalting really persists of mainly the bottom two and top two.
Yeah.
But it's very pretty wood. Solid. I like that pink. That pink's wild. That's pretty. Wow. I'll move out of the way. Huh?
Said, which direction you going?
Away from you.
Kind of weird.
Well, if you stop spraying it, I'll come look.
Yeah, we've got a weird spot in the middle there.
Yeah, it does. That's pretty cool, though. Huh. That's neat. Wow, that is kind of neat. Pretty. So like I was telling you guys, all the wood that we cut is for sale. So if you guys want any of this, just let us know. You know, we can send you a video and show you the wood again and see what you guys want. Just call our number, 208-447-9691, and we can definitely help you guys out. So we are definitely some of the cheapest ones probably in the country, huh?
Nah.
What is the other ones? I don't want to say their names on camera.
I don't know what most people sell stuff for.
Isn't it like $20 a board foot?
Depending on what it is.
Well, we're not $20 a board foot for most of everything. We're a lot cheaper. I think we got just as pretty of wood. Oh, that is pretty. Dang. Wow, that pink color is just really pretty. And then you got some, oh, there's spalting, it looks like down there. And, oh, that's pretty too. Wow. That's definitely not been disappointing. This has been a pretty piece of wood. You have a dippy-doo right there. What's a dippy-doo from?
Because it's a little denser where the feathering's at. And the blade was getting dull.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, hit that hard spot.
Well, we're hoping to do another video this coming up week of this monster. But we have to get our blade thing figured out. So hopefully that'll be done this coming up week. And the next one we can get this monster. What is this?
Black locust.
It's a black locust.
Right now we got blades on order. And we dropped 4 blades off to a friend who's going to attempt to sharpen them for us.
That's where he got the black eye. It's from the black locust.
Yeah. Mean wood. Mean wood.
That's funny.
Yep. Just going to sit over there and make faces at me?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, if you're in southwest Idaho and have a big log, we can cut it up for you. 208-447-9691.
And again, guys, we need those subscribers. We really want to hit that 1,000 mark because we are excited about this next giveaway. So, share them with your friends. Do whatever you guys can do to get some more. And share and comment. That's the most important thing, is to subscribe and comment. That way we have a way to get back with you.
Taffy wants to be
and Taffy wants to be in my video. That's one of my puppies. Alright, guys.
Well, Taffers.
You guys have a good one. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.